How to activate chat hits in Messenger on iPhone. Now, let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now at the top left corner you can find 3 horizontal lines. Click on it. Head towards this settings icon. Open it. Over here you're gonna find different options. Go to the option notifications and sounds. Open it. Firstly, you will see the option of do not disturb. Toggle off for that option. Toggle on for this option of show previews. Likewise, here you can see the option of text tone. You can open it. From here you can choose any of the sound for your text tone. Likewise, you can toggle on for this option of while using app. After you do that, you can close your Messenger app. Now open your settings app. Scroll down. Find the app Messenger. After you find it, open it. Now go to the option notifications. At the very top, you can see the option of allow notifications. Toggle on for that option. Likewise, check in for all these options: lock screen, notification center, and banners. Also toggle on for this option of sounds and badges. Open this option show previews. Set it to always and head back, and with that you will be good to go. This is how you can activate chat hits in Messenger on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.